today's video I will teach you the conjunction and its types with simple examples, which is a main part of speech. Watch this video till end to the topic thoroughly. The conjunction. Definition. A conjunction is a word which joins together sentences and sometimes words. Read the following sentences: God made the country and man made the town. Our hoard is little, but our hearts are great. She must weep, or she will die. 2 and 2 make 4. In first, second and third sentence, the conjunctions join together 2 sentences. In fourth, the conjunction joins together 2 words only. Conjunctions join together sentences and often make them more compact. Thus, Steve and Jackson are good bowlers is a short way of saying Steve is a good bowler and Jackson is a good bowler. So, the man is poor, but honest is a contracted way of saying the man is poor, but he is honest. Sometimes, however, the conjunction and joins words only, as 2 and 2 make 4. Such sentences cannot be resolved in 2 sentences. Some conjunctions are used in pairs as either or, either take it or leave it, neither nor. It is neither useful nor ornamental. Both and we both love and honour him. Whether or. I do not care whether you go or stay, not only but also. Not only is he foolish, but also obstinate. Or come in or go out. Conjunctions which are thus used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions or correlatives. Classes of conjunctions. As we shall see, conjunctions are divided into 2 classes, coordinating and subordinating. Read the sentence: birds fly and fish swim. The sentence contains 2 independent statements or 2 statements of equal rank or importance. Hence, the conjunction joining together these 2 statements or clauses of equal rank is called a coordinating conjunction. Coordinating means of equal rank. Definition. A coordinating conjunction joins together clauses of equal rank. The chief coordinating conjunctions are and but, for or nor also, either or, neither nor. Coordinating conjunctions are of 4 kinds. First, cumulative or copulative, which merely add one statement to another, as we carved not a line and we raised not a stone. Second, adversative, which express opposition or contrast between 2 statements, as he is slow, but he is sure. I was annoyed, still I kept quiet. I would come only that I am engaged. He was all right, only he was fatigued. Third, disjunctive or alternative, which express a choice between 2 alternatives, as she must weep or she will die. Either he is mad or he feigns madness, neither a borrower nor a lender be. They toil not, neither do they spin. Walk quickly, else you will not overtake him. Fourth, illative, which express an inference, as something certainly fell in, for I heard a splash. All precautions must have been neglected, for the plague spread rapidly. Any of the coordinating conjunctions, with the exception of or nor, may be omitted, and its place taken by a comma, semicolon or colon, as Rama went out to play, Hari stayed in to work. Read the sentence: I read the paper, because it interests me. The sentence contains 2 statements or clauses, one of which, because it interests me, is dependent on the other. Hence the conjunction introducing the dependent or subordinate clause is called a subordinating conjunction. Definition. A subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another on which it depends for its full meaning. The chief subordinating conjunctions are after, because, if, that, though, although, till, before, unless, as, when, where, while. After the shower was over the sun, shone out again. A book's a book, although there is nothing in it. As he was not there, I spoke to his brother. He ran away because he was afraid. Answer the first question before you proceed further. Take heed ere it be too late. Except ye repent, you shall all likewise perish. You will pass if you work hard. Sentinels were posted lest the camp should be taken by surprise. Since you say so, I must believe it. Tell them that I will come. He finished first, though he began late. Will you wait till I return? He will not pay unless he is compelled. I waited for my friend until he came. When I was younger, I thought so. I do not know whence he comes. He found his watch where he had left it. I do not understand how it all happened. Make hay while the sun shines. I shall go whither fancy leads me. I know not why he left us. The word then is also a subordinating conjunction. He is taller than I. I like you better than he. I like you better than him. Jack is more stupid than Alan. His bark is worse than his bite. Subordinating conjunctions may be classified according to their meaning as follows. Time, I would die before I lied. No nation can be perfectly weed-el governed till it is competent to govern itself. Many things have happened since I saw you. I returned home after he had gone. Ere he blew 3 notes, there was a rustling. Cause or reason, my strength is as the strength of 10, because my heart is pure. Since you wish it, it shall be done. As he was not there, I spoke to his brother. He may enter, as he is a friend. Purpose, we eat so that we may live. He held my hand lest I should fall. Result or consequence, he was so tired that he could scarcely stand. Condition, Rama will go if Hari goes. Grievances cannot be redressed unless they are known. Concession, I will not see him, though he comes. Though he slay me, yet will I trust him. A book's a book, although there's nothing in it. Comparison, he is stronger than Rex. Some conjunctions A and D their uses, the use of since, as a conjunction, means from and after the time when, as I have been in such a pickle since I saw you last. Many things have happened since I left school. I have never seen him since that unfortunate event happened. Note. Since, when used as a conjunction in this sense, should be preceded by a verb in the present perfect tense and followed by a verb in the simple past tense. Second, seeing that, inasmuch as, since you wish it, it shall be done. Since you will not work, you shall not eat. Since that is the case, I shall excuse you. The use of or, first, to introduce an alternative as your purse or your life. You must work or starve. You may take this book or that one. Note. There may be several alternatives each joined to the preceding one by or, presenting a choice between any two in the series, as he may study law or medicine or engineering, or he may enter into trade. Second, to introduce an alternative name or synonym as the violin or fiddle has become the leading instrument of the modern orchestra. Third, to mean otherwise, as we must hasten or night will overtake us. Fourth, as nearly equivalent to and as, the troops were not wanting in strength or courage, but they were badly fed. The use of if used to mean, on the condition or supposition that as, if he is there, I shall see him. If that is so, I am content. Admitting that as, if I am blunt, I am at least honest. If I am poor, yet I am honest. Use of if as whether, I asked him if he would help me. I wonder if he will come. Use of if as whenever, as, if I feel any doubt, I inquire. If is also used to express wish or surprise, as, if I only knew. The use of that as a conjunction retains much of its force as a demonstrative pronoun. Thus the sentence, I am told that you are miserable, may be transposed into you are miserable, I am told that is used to express a reason or cause, and is equivalent to because, for that, in that, as, not that I loved Caesar less, but that I loved Rome more. He was annoyed that he was contradicted. To express a purpose, and is equivalent to in order that, as, we sow that we may reap,